Hi, welcome. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I'm doing hypnosis since 1972, teaching hypnosis since 1977. Now, if you already not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Do it now. And now, my friend, if you have not watched my previous videos on this particular series, watch it right now to get the maximum benefit out of this particular video. Now, I assume that you have already watched all the videos, and let's get into practice now. See, now, the first few videos were for talking to you about hypnosis and myths about hypnosis and other things, and now we get into practice. So before you want to hypnotize somebody, we need to do hypnotic suggestibility test, and I call them hypnotic imagination game. The purpose of calling the imagination game is because when you do an imagination game, everybody like to play with it, and the purpose of this imagination game is to check how the person is responding. And if you're doing in a group of 5 or 6 the same technique, you'll find that which one the person who is doing well or better than others, you can put them into hypnosis and can have a more fun with them. So in this video, I'm going to give you a demo on how to do the first imagination game called heavy book and a gas balloon. A book in your hand and gas balloon. Now, watch this video and then come back. I'll explain to you more in detail. So watch it now and then come back. Thank you. Sanjana ji, you're enjoying? Feeling good? We make your hand like this. Right hand palm upwards, left hand palm downwards. Now close your eyes. Now I want you to use your imagination. Imagine that on your right hand there is a heavy, thick, black color encyclopedia is kept. Feel the weight of the book. Know it in your mind. And your left hand there is a big gas balloon is tied and pulling your left hand up, 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 up toward the ceiling. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. And as you do, your right hand is going down, 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 down. And your left hand is moving up, 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 up toward the ceiling. Just imagine, feel, believe, pretend, know in your heart there is a heavy, thick, black color encyclopedia, 5 kg weight on your right hand, and your left hand there is a big gas balloon pulling your left hand up, 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 up toward the ceiling. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. Now slowly open your eyes and look at your hand. Good, huh? Yeah? Do you feel any discomfort in your right hand?
I feel heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Any pain or anything?
I feel something is pulling this hand down.
Good. Now relax. Now relax. Bring your hand down. Bring your head down. Now, my friend, what I did here is I asked her to imagine. Now use all your senses. Imagine, feel, believe, pretend, know in your heart. There is a heavy, thick, black color. Use the word 5 kg weight on your right hand. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. And your left hand, there is a big gas balloon is tied. And now, can you make your hand again? I will show them again how to do it. Now, remember what I did here is I was touching. Did I pushing your hand? No. I was just touching. I just to make it real and feel it. I was touching. Feel the book in your right hand. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. And left hand, there's a gas balloon tied. I was just giving her something. Did I pull your hand? No. I just made a small non-verbal gestures for her to feel that the hand will go up. Right? So now relax. Okay. Welcome back again, and I'm seeing you have already watched the video. Me doing the first imagination game on heavy book on one hand and gas balloon tied to the other hand. And you watch me doing it. Now, I want you to find somebody and practice. Or if you want, you can do it on yourself right now. Now, this method, I asked her to put a black heavy book, almost 5 kgs, like an encyclopedia. Sometimes people say they have imagined a different color, that's okay. And your gas balloon, now helium gas balloon, initially when you do, for this demo I have not given the full detail, but if you want to add something, now the person is doing like this and one hand is going a little slow, this hand going to, you can add more books to the hand, you can add more balloon. And better thing is ask them to imagine whatever color they wanted in a gas balloon, and immediately the thing will start happening more. Now, when you do this, if some people are doing acting, they will do like this. We don't want them. People who are doing this jerky movement, that is the real imagination unconscious going on. So, practice on at least 5 people. What are you going to tell them? That you're going to tell them that you'll learn a very powerful imagination game to show you how imagination can affect you physically. And then one more thing, and after you do this in a group of 1, 2 or 3 people also, you can do that. And when you do that, ask them how many of you got pain in your right hand, because the book is on the right hand. Ask them how many of you got pain in your right hand, and find most of them will raise their hand. Then ask them, there was no book, why you got pain? Because imagination can affect you physically also. So this is how you can practice, and practice right now with your friends. Do it at least 5 to 6 times so the words flows easily. So do it right now and then come back to the next lesson. In next lesson, we'll have a different imagination game which you will learn and then practice. So my friend, again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified for our new videos which will be coming soon. And please remember to like and share this video. So if you really want to become a master hypnosis, so this channel is Learn Hypnosis Now, and I'm coming out with a lot of videos with the clippings and demonstration which you can watch and practice. Now if you really want to attend my practical workshop, there is a link below. You can click on the link. We are doing a workshop regularly in Hyderabad, so you can come to Hyderabad and learn it if you really want. Or if you want a home study courses, you can click on another link and see what you want to learn. So I'm looking forward to meeting you personally sometime very near future. Thank you very much.